Hey guys, got a 2022 plate Citroen C4 here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure and warning light on this one. So if you do find the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see some more useful content like this, subscribe to the channel. So on this one, we're going to use the screen on the centre of the dash, and from here we're going to use this button here, which will take us to the vehicle settings. And then from here, we're going to come down to where it says under inflation initialization and click on there. So first, make sure your tyres are all pumped up to the correct pressures, which will be around 34 psi. It says make sure you have adjusted the tyre pressures. Do you want to reset? Then you want to go to yes. Tyre pressures registered, and that's it.